Hi, hello! At ito magluluto kami ng kare-kare. At naghiwa na ako kanina nitong talong at saka sitaw. May nabili kaming sitaw doon sa Asian store. Tapos ito may bok choy or sa atin ay petchay. Tapos ito ang puso ng saging. Ito lang naman yung aming nabibiling puso ng saging. Kasi yung nabibiling sariwa or yung mapait. Kaya ito na lang binibili namin. At ito magawa na ako ng sibuyas at bawang. Tapos ito nga pala yung oxtail na pinalambot na. So magiwa na ako ng sibuyas bawang para makapagluto na si Daddy. Dumating na kasi si Habi. Kaya magiwa na ako ng sibuyas bawang para gisa na. Yan. Iwan na tayo ng sibuyas. Maganda sana yung bagoong igigisa muna sa kamatis. Bagoong. Gisahin na lang. Hugasan ko nga pala ito. Lagi ko kasi bago i-open, hindi hugasan ito. So, open natin ito. Yan. Tapos, tapon yung sabaw. Yan, tapon ko na yung sabaw. Para sasabog na lang. Ayan na ang ayan ang puso ng saging. Tapos, ang hiwa ko ng bawang. Bawang. So, when you start looking at the facts and the numbers, you realize that China's story is just a propaganda lie. Now, I'm sure the CCP bot army will not be happy with this video exposing China's lies. So, if you can please help me fight the bot army by hitting that like and subscribe button down below. Everything you do helps our videos survive on the YouTube system. So, the story begins in 1947. Just after World War II had ended, minsan lang kami magluto ng kare-kare. To sign a historic document called the General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. 23 countries worldwide agreed to cut the amount of tariffs they charged on the international trade, and the U.S. government in Washington was taking the lead in this. At this time, Europe and Asia were still in ruins, and the Global South hadn't yet industrialized. So in the late 1940s, the U.S. accounted for more than half of global GDP, an unprecedented monopoly. Also, because it had the biggest navy in the world, the U.S. could also serve as the guarantor of free trade routes. The U.S. wanted to use this as a tool for soft power. By opening up trade with other nations in Europe and Asia, America would become very popular abroad. But apart from this geopolitical consideration, there was another reason to promote free trade. According to the economic theory of comparative advantages, free trade would lead to economic growth. We won't bore you with the details, but basically it goes like this. If every country produces the goods and services it's best at, the idea is that everyone will get more goods and services overall. So, in order to achieve this, international trade restrictions were removed bit by bit. On this chart, we can see the average tariff on imports the U.S. charged over time. Back in the 1800s, the U.S. was charging up to 57% on imports. By 1947, this average rate dropped to 7.9%. And by 1995, the average tariff rate was slashed to 2.5%. This was an important year because on the 1st of January in 1995, the World Trade Organization was created. Headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland, the WTO's main goal is to reduce tariffs worldwide and to cut other forms of trade barriers. It currently has 166 members, covering 98% of global GDP and 93% of the global population. Ever since 1995,
Daddy ay makapag
This steady decrease in
isa na.
utilization
So, ayan. Ready na ang aming pagkare-kare. Ito siya, oh. Pinalambot na yung oxtail. Masarap yung sa kare-kare yung oxtail. Hindi na namin nilagyan ng nung lampin. Or ano ba ng baka yun? Hindi na namin nilagyan. Oxtail na lang. At yan, ang daming gulay, oh. Sarap yung gulay. At syempre, ang kare-kare nilalagyan ng, ano ba yun? Tika, ha? Peanut butter.
it's the balance of how much the US sells to other nations minus how much it buys from other nations.
At meron kaming peanut butter. Ayan. Tsaka meron kaming biniling kare-kare mix. Ito. Pero tingnan ko kung meron pang iba. Kasi ito meron pa pala dito. Ito na muna ang gamitin niya. Kasi bago yun. Bago. Marami pa pala dito ang kare-kare mix. Ayan. Palabok pala ito. Pupunta kami doon kasi sa Filipino store. Bumibili kami ng mga sangkap. Ayan. May kare-kare mix pa pala. Ayan. Palabok din pala. Ayan. Okay na. Mag-start na si Happy with ito muna gamitin niya. August 20. Ito ay October. So, ito muna. Ito muna ang gamitin. Okay? Kare-kare. Sarap yan. Maraming gulay. So, nasangap na. Ang pechay.
Bigas na ako ano. Kung na pa mag-bisa ng ano.